Peter Vanderlee here. I thought I'd come and talk to you about this little gizmo that I borrowed from the local library, this thermal leak detector, and using it here in the house on the exterior wall on the plug outlet, the electrical outlets, and it tells me that, you know, we got 17.3 degrees here on this outlet. So that's pretty cold. The house is a lot warmer than that. And so this is obviously an area that is of concern. And so what I did was went on Amazon and we got these insulating foam pieces that go behind these covers. And so we've been going around doing all the light switches and the outlets in the house. And it's just, you know, a simple, easy thing to do. Take this and you put it here. You take your cover and you put it back. But before I do that, well, yeah, I will. I'm not going to take the measurement of how cold it is inside there because the cover was already on it. But this will give you an idea of how much difference this might make when you start adding up all of the different numbers of covers that you have in your house for all of your plugs and your switches. And, you know, I always make sure that I keep all of the screws in the same direction pointing up. I just think it looks nicer. Some people won't notice that. They might. But this is the real deal, is that it's now 18.9 degrees. And so that's a significant difference between the other one. And some of them have been more different than that. I mean, this is immediate. There's no time for the cover's still cold. So this is making a huge difference in our house. So 19.5, 19.6. This is making a huge difference in our electrical bill for our heat pump. So you know, even though the government might give you a free heat pump, you still might want to get these off of Amazon, and check the link below. There'll be a link that I'll post here where we got these from Amazon. Wasn't that expensive, and it's going to save us some money over the years. They'll be there forever. I mean, when's the next time these covers are going to come off? Probably not for some time. So thanks for watching to the end. Hope you enjoyed it, and you got some work to do.